Out the way, Malka.
Oh wow.
Was that come back?
Did you have your seatbelt on?
No, but I knew what to do. It stayed inside.
Oh my goodness, my feet are totally soaked.
That's shoulders of you.
Was that supposed to be happening?
No.
What do you reckon?
Oh, I was going to put it on the top, but then I thought it would be a bit heavy for the top one. So I was starting to put it down and then...
I was just saying to Elijah, with that amount of weight, you're driving very recklessly.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought I was driving really carefully.
What?
Because it was on an angle, so that all
What's
the...
that?
It's hydraulic oil.
What, is that all hydraulic oil in there?
Yeah, it was all... My
Oh,
feet were
Dad,
underwater.
get off
Under oil. I hate that.
We've got some lifting to do and a pallet to pay for.
Why?
Careful, because
Because
they're
they charge us money.
$30 a pallet
We
from
don't
that
bring it
crowd.
back. Can't really
Okay, so we need another pallet here. To load up.
We took a piece of land. It might sound strange, but God told us to buy it despite not having the money. He told us to build despite not knowing how. We had to learn each step of the way, research, trial and error, training, whatever it took. We've documented each step of the way, and we're able to teach you many, many things that are going to help you live with and for God, help you build your family, help you build your home, and help you build your business. Be sure to subscribe. We're also putting together a rammed earth course. Some of it will be free, some will be a trade-off as we tell you about Jesus, and some might be a paid subscription to help us cover costs. Either way, all of it will be very, very useful. So hit the subscribe button or click the link to see all the details about our rammed earth course.